guys, New Year's is right around the corner, guys. So with this fabric, guys, I did the bell sleeves, long sweater type glittery dress, guys, for when the New Year's come, if you want something. So if you guys see, these is the bell sleeves. So guys, you'll make your bias, you use your shirt pattern for your bias, guys, and then use your hip measurement. So if you guys got a maxi or something, you can trace that out. And I just did the little turtleneck, and I just threw a belt around it, guys. But yes, and then I did, if you want to make the puff sleeves, guys, you actually cut the sleeves when you get to where the armhole is. Let me show you guys. Where is that? When you get to where the armhole is, you extend it longer. So when you get right here, guys, where the armhole is to make the bell sleeve, extend it about another 2 inches. And then you just, when you get up there, you pin it. And it's going to be too big up there. So you pin it at the top to fit it in, to give it them type of sleeves. So guys, yes, I thought this would be something cool. The New Year's coming around, and it's probably something you could wear to church or something. You know, it's not too revealing. So with some little brown boots on, guys, but it goes all the way down to the floor. So as always, guys, you guys have a wonderful day, guys. Bye-bye. Here is a New Year's Eve inspired dress, guys. So if you guys want to make a dress and not knowing really what you want to make, this one would be nice for the New Year's, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. And you can also go online and look at dresses inspired for the New Year if you want to get your creative juices flowing. Thank you guys so much. Have a happy New Year's and a Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.